Why are you still confined to outdated financial borders when leading investors in Zurich, Dubai, and Singapore are already in phase 2 of a global financial evolution? Isn't it time you confronted the universal challenge? Financial systems designed for a past that no longer exists? Imagine a financial reality where your mindset and your money operate without any geographical limitations. Ready to tap into this global opportunity? Connect your personal aspirations for greater wealth with the exponential financial potential of the interconnected world. Intrigued by the specific international financial strategies, despite are quietly generating significant returns for those in the know. This isn't just about incremental gains. It's about a fundamental shift in how wealth is created and moved on a global scale, impacting individuals from all corners of the planet. Unlock the universal desire for true global financial freedom and prosperity. Challenge your deeply held assumptions about how prosperity is achieved in today's international landscape. It's time to embrace a transformative global financial perspective that can change everything. Identify with the growing movement of individuals achieving financial independence on a global level. Discover the powerful narrative of truly borderless financial opportunities. Here's the key to unlocking a transformative solution for achieving genuine global financial success. This isn't just about fleeting motivation. It's about understanding and implementing a tangible system for a new financial reality, no matter where you are or what language you speak. Join the expanding network of informed investors and ambitious entrepreneurs who are already operating on the global stage. Uncover the innovative approach to finance that is rapidly becoming the standard for those thinking and operating worldwide. Awaken your ambition for significant wealth creation within a truly interconnected global economy. This is specifically for individuals, targeting high-yield opportunities in international investments and global business expansion. Valuable search terms like global finance, international investment, borderless wealth, and high CPM are just the beginning. Learn precisely how to overcome traditional financial obstacles within a dynamic international framework. Engage with a discerning audience of high-net-worth individuals in key developed markets who are seeking sophisticated financial solutions. This content is crafted to align with the standards of leading global brands in the finance and technology sectors. This message is strategically aimed at English-speaking audiences and regions with the highest CPM rates for business and finance content. This is about navigating the future of business and finance in a world without traditional boundaries. Utilize high-demand English keywords focused on global business, wealth creation, and financial freedom. Focus on implementing scalable entrepreneurial strategies with genuine global impact and reach. Attract a global audience with substantial purchasing power, who are actively seeking advanced financial knowledge. The sense of global urgency is clear. The financial landscape is rapidly evolving. This isn't complicated global financial jargon. It's a simplified path to a new reality. Join the subtle wave of global social proof. Others are already doing this. Connect to this larger movement towards a truly global financial identity. Are you curious to understand the phase 2 they've already entered? This isn't the financial status quo. It's an unexpected break from the old patterns. Haven't you wondered how they achieve such efficiency in global transactions? There's a key secret to be revealed. It's time to adopt a global abundance mindset in your financial thinking. Let's demystify international finance and show you how accessible it truly is. Appeal to your deep desire for true global financial freedom and control. Remember this? Borderless finance, limitless opportunity. This isn't just about making money. It's about participating in a global financial system with greater purpose and potential. Why are forward-thinking individuals in Zurich, Dubai, and Singapore already experiencing exponential financial results through borderless systems? While you might still be limited by slow, outdated local finance, comment phase 2 below to discover the next step